All right, in this lesson, we're going to be learning how to play the song Since Your Love by United Pursuit. This song was recommended to me by Camille. Thank you for the song suggestion. Now, if anybody else has any song recommendations for me, just put them in the comment section down below and make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right, now let's go ahead and cover the song.
You are the light, song of my life. You always lead me. You are the voice inside. You are my love. No one before you. All that I am points to you. I was made by you. I was made for you. I am unfulfilled without full communion. Since your love got a hold of me, since your love got a hold of me, I'm a new creation. I'm forever changed. Since your love got a hold of me, since your love got a hold of me, I'm a new creation. I'm forever changed. I was made by you. I was made for you. I am unfulfilled without full communion. In you is all I need. You're my breath, you're my life, you're everything. In you is all I need. You're my breath, you're my life, you're everything.
Okay, so for this song, I'm going to be using the G chord family. The original key of the song is in B, which if you wanted to play it in the original key, you could just take your capo and put it on the 4th fret, play it in the same chord family as I did here in this tutorial, and you would be in the key of B, which is so much easier to play with the G chord family than trying to play it with the B chord family. But it's too high for me to play it on the 4th fret, so I knocked it down a couple of steps to the 2nd fret here, and that just makes it easier for me to sing. Now for strumming, I'm going to be using what I call the universal strum pattern. It's a very popular strum pattern, and it's going to be lasting for 8 beats. Okay, so if you were to tap your foot, this strum pattern is going to be lasting for 8 of those beats, and then it repeats again. So we have down, up, down, up, down, up, and then it repeats. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now remember, down strums always happen on the beats. So if you're tapping your foot, down strums always happen when your foot goes down. Up strums always happen when your foot goes up or between beats. Now with that strum pattern, we're putting emphasis on beats 1, 4, and 7. Okay, so if you were counting out the beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So you'll notice if you listen carefully that the up strums are coming in between those numbers, and the down strums are happening on the numbers. Now there's a couple of notes of this song that don't last for an entire measure or for an entire strum pattern. So for instance, the second line of the song in the verse, we go from C add 9 to A minor 7, and then again C add 9 to A minor 7. and then we go back to the G. Now the C add 9, what we're going to do here, the C add 9 is only lasting for 3 beats. And then when we get to beat 4, when we're strumming hard, because remember we're putting emphasis on 1, 4, and 7. So when we get to 4, we're going to switch to the A minor, okay? So we have C for beats 1, 2, and 3, A minor for the rest of the measure, and then we come back to the C for 1, 2, and 3, and then A minor 7 for 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? So let me just play it for you while I'm counting those beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here, and that'll take you on over to the website where you can download the chord chart for this song and many others as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.